Hey guys, if you have made it this far, I congratulate you on your progress. We are done with the initial theory and can get our hands dirty now. Here on the slide, I have the architecture of the lab that we'll set up on our computers. We will use VirtualBox as our virtualization engine. I will set up 3 virtual machines. One of them will be the master server where we will install in Ansible. We will also have 2 client machines where the server will push the configuration changes. I have specified one of the client machines in production environment and the other in development environment. This will simulate the real world scenario where you will have to deal with multiple environments and your changes will need to be pushed to lower environments first, such as a development environment, before they can be pushed to production environment. This is to keep the production environment error free. Now each of these virtual machines will also have 2 network adapters attached to them. First will be a bridged adapter that will be used to communicate with the internet to download updates and any other software. This adapter will have a DHCP assigned IP address. The second adapter will be used for inter-virtual machine communication. So for example, when Ansible master server wants to SSH into any of the client machines and run any automation scripts, it will utilize the host-only adapter. The host-only adapter will have a statically assigned IP address in the range of 192.168.56.x. In the next few lectures, I will show you how to install VirtualBox on Windows and then create your first virtual machine and install Ubuntu Linux on it. After that, I will show you how to clone your virtual machine. What I want you to do is to create one virtual machine, install Ubuntu, and then clone the other 2 virtual machines in the setup. With this, we have come to the end of this lecture. Thank you for watching. I will see you in the next one. Bye.